Hi, good morning. Yes, okay. Some are coming to school, latecomers. Let them come, no problem. Um, and you have done your test well. Yes, I have got. It is copied or not copied. It's okay, no problem. Okay, whatever it is finished. Past is past. We'll think about the future. Yes. So test you did, and some couldn't, not couldn't. They didn't see. Some are not seeing the notice board. Okay, and the test one and all. 1 week before, I am putting in the notice board. So if they forgot means okay, nothing, let it be. And after that, we started chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6 more about Scratch, and I showed about types of blocks. Okay, types of blocks. And for the, I hope you have received, what is that, the timetable, first test timetable and the syllabus. Syllabus means portion in the WhatsApp. Yes. So for computer, you have only two chapters. One is first chapter and the second one is sixth chapter. Okay. Only two chapters. First chapter and the sixth chapter. Only two chapters. Okay. Then today's class, it's almost will finish. Then we will revise, and some programs are there. I will show which are the programs you have to write or learn for the test. Everything I will see later. Okay, I'll see you later. Yes. Okay. So we will brief the last class, types of blocks. How many types of blocks are there in Scratch? We are learning Scratch programming, correct? So how many types of blocks are there? Yes, six. Okay. And how many categories of blocks are there? Categories of blocks. How many categories of blocks are there? Categories of blocks. Just I mentioned there. Okay, some are typing
Six.
seven. Okay. Seven wrong. Okay, it's a 10. It's a 10.
Six.
Today we will see. Okay. Now we will see that one. Then which are the types of blocks? Which is the first one? Which is the first one? Type of block? Type of block, first one?
Hat block.
Hat block. Hat block. And second
Cat
one?
block.
Stack block, stacking, keeping upon, above, and down. Then third one
Block.
is
Steep. Steep.
Boolean blocks. What is that? Boolean. Boolean. Boolean blocks.
Blocks.
Yes, Boolean blocks.
Steep block.
Okay, Boolean blocks. Okay, then fourth one is reporter block. Fourth one is reporter
Sleep.
block. Fifth one is C blocks. Okay,
C
C.
block.
C block.
C.
Yes. C block is also known as C block is also known as wrap block. Wrap block. Okay,
Wrap.
all are you underline. And the last one is cap block. Capping. You're putting
Clap
cap.
block.
Okay. Now we are going to see the categories of blocks. Page number 87. Page number 87. Please take page number 87. Page number 87. So this is okay, page number 87. Categories of blocks. Categories of blocks. Categories provide a user-friendly way of accessing the desired blocks. Blocks are categorized based underline, based on their functionalities. Okay. Then what about the types of blocks? It is categorized according to its shape. But blocks, okay, categories of blocks is categorized based on their functionalities. And blocks within the same category share the same color. One category means one color. Okay, some are talking there. Good. Okay, yes. And we will see what is that. Ah, yeah, same color. And the first one is motion. Okay, first one is motion. So first category is motion. These blocks control the movement of sprite. Underline movement of sprite. Movement of sprite. For motion. Motion means, yeah, you are thinking about something else, some other motions. Okay, good. It's okay. That also motion. Yes, loose motion and all. Yeah, it is okay. That also motion. Then the normal motion. What is that? Movement. Motion means movement. Movement of the sprite. They relate the mainly to the x, y position and the direction of the sprite. Okay, I will come in detail in the program. Yes. Now, which I am going to say to underline, please underline. Second category is looks. Looks. Yeah, this boy is looking so handsome. That girl is looking so beautiful. Correct, no? Oh, hairy, curly hair. Or spiked boys, spiked hair. Or what is the another look? He's in jeans and what is that? Blazer and all. Wow. Looking nice, looks. And girls in cap, hat, and frock, and very see what is that? Looks. Okay, what is that looks? These what is there in the Scratch program? These blocks are used to manage the appearance of sprite. Appearance means how you will look like. Very nice, wow, super. And sometimes those who are sitting in front of the in the class means good appearance, correct? No, suddenly wake up and having tea and suddenly not without combing hair and all. See your appearance, looks. That is called looks. Okay, you can change the sprite costume and apply graphics effects using this block category. You can change the looks. Is it okay? Suddenly, when I say that you are sitting without combing your head, suddenly your hand goes to head and yes, you will touch there here and there. Correct? No looks. You are changing your looks. Okay, so you have parents are there means, oh, you pay that sir is there, so they surely they will keep or they will hide. Okay, so you can change the looks, correct? No, yes, looks, appearance. Next one is sound. It is a third category. These blocks are used to add, underline, to add and play sound. Add and play sound. Sound is a name itself shows. The next one is pen. These blocks are used to manage the working Scratch pen. Working of Scratch pen. Okay, Scratch. The Scratch has one pen. Okay, not this pen which I am drawing. Okay, Scratch pen. Underline. Blocks help to turn the pen on and off and also to adjust the appearance value of the pen. So pen means also last year, fifth standard, we have what is that with the butterfly or butterfly drawing a square. Last year we learned, yes, with the pen. Correct? Not drawing, always with the pen. Yes. So we need pen also. There is another category. The next category is data. Next category is not a data. Usually we say, I also used to say data. It is wrong. It is data. Go to Google and search. Okay, pronunciation of data. Data. Okay, what it is? Data. What is next one? Next block, category of block, data. These blocks includes two subcategories, that is variables and list. Variables and list. Data. There are two types, variables and list. Both the categories help to store and access data. You can serve like what are the data? Data means image is a data or a video, audio, and everything is our data. So you can store and access the data using these data categories. Next one is events. Okay, there are marriage events, birthday events, or Griha Pravesha events. Yes, correct, no? Or simply events. Okay, what is that today? Party is there. What happened there today? Simply party. 2, 3 children coming together and party. Events. Yes. So same way, these blocks have used to sense events or to trigger an event based on another event. So what is that? Used to sense events. Events. So children, are you there? Yes, yes. Okay, events. Suppose how we are sitting there, the appearance, appearance, looks. Yes. Now father is telling, come, let us go for one marriage function. So with this costume, you will go to marriage function with your parents. See, not me, you. I don't know how I am imagining. I am imagining how you are sitting there in my class. In the same way, okay, same way. What you will do? You will go 1 minute. You will ask 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes to change your appearance. Why? You are preparing for an event. Live class. Hey, who needs this live class? Camera is always off. No one is watching that one. So it is a one event. Live class is a event, but who needs? Just we want to pass this year. Correct? No, whatever it is. One event. But marriage party, oh, marriage party like this. We'll go, hey, no. Put powder, bindi, and a spike, and coat, and specs, boys. Okay. And girls, some varieties of costumes you will wear. Yeah. Lipstick, yeah, good. Lipstick, sure, of course. Unavoidable thing. Good. So the events. So come back. You're going somewhere else. Good. Okay. So events, different events, and you are prepared for one. What is that? One marriage function. Suddenly, one person expired, or suddenly you want to go to hospital or something. So we'll go with all the makeup, lipstick, and what is that? With all the decoration, you will go. No, that event or funeral or that event, we will go in another way. Correct? No. Yes. So this is called events. Then what is the next? What is that? After events, what is that? Control. You will say now, control yourself. You are about to sleep. Control. Okay, so lazy. Control. Always watching mobiles. Control. Okay, so the next category in the what is that? Scratch program is control. These blocks are used to control. And Sarist, I heard that one. Some parents are sitting in my computer class. Good, very well and good. I'm so happy. Yes, and for you, it is not happy. Correct? No? Yeah. When you are about to sleep or you are not writing, I'm telling to underline. You underline, suddenly you will get hit from the parent. Taka. Correct? No? Control. They are controlling you. Which is the page? Which page you are opening? Taka. Again you got control. So this is another block, control block. Okay, we will go to the next page. 3 more are there. Yes. What is next one? Sensing. Yeah, sensing. Okay, sensing. Sensing means these blocks are used to detect underline, detect various digital analog inputs that can be used to detect when one sprite touch another. Children, look here. When, as I told, parents are controlling you, those who are sitting nearby. Yes. And you are attending so attentively or very carefully to the live class. Parents will come and say, hi, cute, nice baby. Wow. We will do like this one and go, no? So what you will feel? Wow. You are sensing a happiness from parents appreciated. Good. And your class is going on, you are about to sleep or not writing anything means suddenly, taka! So you will sense, what you will sense now? What you will sense now? Nicely cut. What you will sense? Some are laughing. You are laughing. Oh, crying. Oh, sorry. Say they are sending some icons. Okay, some emoticons, images. What is that? Okay, some this one. Slap. Yes, you are crying. You are sensing differently. Correct, no? And in between, oh, papa, that first 9 o'clock one class is over. Papa. So, and little sir is sitting and asking question. That was, oh, he's so boring, so hungry. So what they will do, parents will come and give sweet ice cream. Chocobar, or whatever it is, vanilla, whatever it is, giving. And you are eating. You are sensing of the sweetness. Wow. How lovely parents. So happy, no? Wow. So what it is? Yes, that is another one. Which one it is? That is sensing. So same way, I know. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, sir. They are giving, I think. Some children are saying, yes, sir. Yes, sir means parents are giving anything. Good. No, it's okay. Let it be. Sensing. You can sense. Somebody will touch you, you will sense. Correct? No? Some things will touch you, you will sense. Next. Now we are talking about the other thing. Okay, we are talking about Scratch program blocks. Okay, categories. Next one is operations. Okay, it is not that operations. Okay, what operation? Thyroid operation or hand operation, leg operation, no, it is not that operation. Operation means any work. Okay, block are used to perform mathematical operations. Mathematical operations. Which are the mathematical operations? Which are the mathematical operation? Yes. Okay, you have so familiar with the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But in a programming, we will have one order. In mathematics also, there is an order. BODMAS theory, we will say. Yes, bracket off. Okay, then division. Before that one, after bracket off, in computer it will come exponent. Okay, then division, multiplication, then addition and subtraction, and it is going on like that one. Okay, so that operation, mathematical operation, equal to, greater than, less than, these all are operations. And the next last one is more blocks that you can create your own. These blocks are allowed to create, underline, create your own blocks. Your own blocks. Clear? Up to here you underline? Yes. Okay, children, I hope you have underlined these all things. And only thing now I will say the colors with the practical things, then it will be very easy. Okay, now it is 16:39 only, 16:40. Sorry, 16:40. 60 minutes. Okay, and time is 10:35. Okay, don't worry, still time is there. Slow we will go. Good. Okay. No, sir, I did not underline. Very good. I know I am saying very good. Is he prompted genuinely, truly good. So if you didn't underline means again go to go to recordings later. Then you where I'm showing there you underline. Yes, we will see each categories. How many categories are there now in the Scratch 2.0? Not the latest version. The Scratch 2.0. There are 10 categories, and each 10 categories are colors are different. We will see that one. Yes, we will see that one. Share. So see, motion block, it is in one color. Which color it is? Which color? Yes, motion blocks are color coded blue, underline blue. Motion blocks are color coded blue. See here, everything in blue. These all are motion, different types of motion. Okay, the next one. What is the next one? Looks. Which color? Looks. Which color? Purple. Underline. Page number you are checking where it is, sir. Where it is. Good. Page number 89. Okay, you take this heading. You see this one. Looks. What do you underline? Yes. What is the color code of looks? Purple. Purple. Underline. Purple. Then after next looks, what is the next category of blocks? What is next? Next page. Yes. Control. Control which one? Control which one? Yes. Which color? Gold. Underline gold. Gold color. Okay, gold. And there are two control blocks, conditional blocks and looping blocks. We will come back. Okay, we'll come back here. Okay, conditional block and looping blocks. That also you underline. Okay, you underline color code is gold, and there are two types, conditional blocks and looping blocks. Okay, then after control, which is the next category of blocks? Yes, what is next here? Sound. What is the color code for sound? Bright purple. Bright purple. Bright purple. Underline bright purple. Okay, sound. Then what is next? Yes, purple here, purple color. With the sound, play sound pop until done, stop all sound, play drums 1 for 25 beats. This is for all sound. Okay, and they prepared one game here, one animation here. Yes. Then pen. What is the color code for pen? Dark green, dark green, dark green. So what are the block? Clear, pen down, pen up, pen setup, color code, shade. So these all things. Which color it is? Dark green, dark green. Okay, they are using mix up of all categories. Then next, what is next one? Events. What is the color code? Yes, brown. See, these all are events. When flag click, always we use. Okay, correct now? Yes. When flag click, when space key pressed, when this sprite click, okay, it is going on like this. What is the color code for event blocks? Yes, brown color, brown. Okay, then what is next one? Yes, that's all. Okay, clear now? Yes, one more is there, which is not there here. Control over gold, I told. Sensing light blue. Sensing light blue, we'll see. Next page. Yeah, sensing. Sensing, what is the color code? Light blue. Underlines here, light blue. Ask what is your name and wait. Touching, touching color. So these are different types of blocks in category sensing. What is the color? Light blue. Light blue. Then what else? Operation, which color? No color. Yes, color coded light green. Here. Okay, color coded light green. Light green. See here, operation plus, minus, multiplication. Again, I told in computer multiplication symbol is this one. Okay, not x. Okay, not x. Star only we use. And division greater than is equal to pick a, so like this going on. So what is the color for the category operator? Light green. Green is there, dark green is there, light green is there. Okay, data. What is the color of data? Data color. Look here. What is that color? It is not there. Not mentioned there. Yes. What type of color? Yes, color will change. Color will change always. It's a color because it is created by you. Okay, data I will explain later. Okay, how we can do what is data and all. So these all are the color coded for all. Yes, now program started. We'll come back. Okay, so hope yes. So hope that you are getting these points. Now I'll go back to the practical points. Practicals. No color. Okay, yes. So color will be there, one color will be there. Yes. Okay. Now, next, what else? Something to say? Yes, we will go for the practical things. Okay. So I told those who are interested and those who have laptop or computer, okay, you can download and install Scratch 2.0 offline editor, and you can do that one. So I'm coming back to that programs. Yes. Yes. Window. Wait, I will open that one. Yes, Scratch program. Now, can you hear this one, this image? Yes. When you open Scratch 2 offline editor, and we are saying in the 5th standard we learn Scratch language. Here, this is okay. Select language and file, edit, and you will get the tips. Okay, tips you will get. Yes, what is the tips? How to create the programs. Here you see, when you click on tips, you will get like this ready-made. Just you click how to, what is that one? Create a Pong game, raise to the finish. Here, raise to finish. See, you can create this animation. How you can create? Click on here, tips in the menu bar, tips. Click on the tips, you will get like this menu, and raise to finish. You can say all the steps. See here, how to add. See, all the steps are given there. How to create. Then what you have to do? You can create like this sample games here, animations and thing. Internet you will get plenty, but in this program itself there are many. And one thing is that let us dance here. Let us dance. See, here you see how they are dancing. And what are the steps? It is there written down, all the steps. Okay, like that we create. And now we will go with again the categories and types mix. First one, what is the first one? Motion. In this one, motion. Clear? And in the motion, already sprite is there, cat. So what is the color for motion? Yes. Okay, select that one. You will get plenty here. These all are These all are blocks comes in motion, and you move. Click and drag, move 10. Okay, click and drag, move 10. So what will happen if I click here? See the cat here, see the cat here, move. Cat is moving. So cat has to move 50 steps, more steps. So you can retype there here 50. Then you run 50 steps. So these all are motion. After 15 steps, turn 15-degree. Then you see the here after clicking here, see turning 15-degree, moving 50 steps and turning. So these all are called what? Yes, then you can erase. Yes, it is going on back, move back, move back. Okay, so here like this, move front and move back, move front and turn a 50-degree back degree. If I take 90-degree means, 90-degree means, see here, 90-degree. 180-degree, yes, in the mathematics also will come in computer. So like this. So here there are motion means movement. Why I'm dragging here? To delete. Okay, bring it here, it delete. Motion is clear. Now what is looks? Yes, you can say hello for 2 seconds. When I click here, what will happen here? Say hello. Then I'm combining move 10 step and say hello. Now you look here, moving, after moving, saying hello. So I will give more 50 steps. Then it will move 50 steps forward and say hello. Okay, say hello. And instead of that one, you can say instead of hello, okay, looks. Okay, instead of saying hello, what you can do, say your name, Mr. Lijo. Now you see, click on here. After moving 50 steps, say name. See here, got it? So this is looks. You can change its appearance, everything. Clear? Next one is sound. Yes. So next one is sound. Then what you can do, this I'll keep here. Then sound, play sound meow. See here. Okay, so meow sound will come. So here, cat, can you change instead of meow, bow, bow, bow? Can you make it bow, bow? Or bird sound? Can you do like that one? No. Why? Because the sprite is cat. Cat will make sound of meow. Correct. So you click here. Meow sound only will come from mat. Or you can get a different types of meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay. Like that different types of meow sound will come. But the sound will like a meow. Okay. Or you can record your voice. Instead of this cat sound, cat is telling in your sound. Hello, Mr. Lijo, you are taking computer class. You can record from here and you can give. Got it? So how we can add again motion, move 10 steps. Okay. And looks, what is the looks? Say, I am cat. Okay. I am cat. Then play sound. My sound is cat. Okay. Then you move, I'm clicking here, flag, green flag, click. What is happening there? See here. I am cat. Meow sound. Got it? Yes. Meow. Once again. Yes. First it will move 10 steps and it will say I am cat and it will make sound. Clear? Now it is yes. Now it is pen. Now it is pen. So what is the color of pen? Yeah. Sorry, I forgot to ask. Once again, I will come back. I hope you are there or not. Hi, children. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
hi,
sir.
hi, hi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Mohit. Good. So because I am why I am switching on what is that mic? Okay, I know 100% that you will make shouting. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You'll see. So it will disturb others, those who are in half sleep. So they will wake up. What is going on there in the class? Okay, that's why in between I am switching on. cameras and not camera, my camera and making howl sound, shouting and all. Yes, got it. Yeah. Next point. Again, what is the next point? Sir, I tried to install in computer, but it is not coming. Sorry, boss. Okay, because I as again I'm telling, each computer and mobile and laptops are different. If I say what is happening in my mobile, then it may not be same like your mobile. This is a local mobile. No, we are getting this much, and I have not enough money to buy. So it's old local China's or something mobile. You have Apple mobiles, have Macintosh laptops, or you have big screen. Some are watching it. So that is I heard. Yeah, not heard. I saw. Some students are watching this live class, especially my class, in smart TV. Great. I'm so happy. I after watching that one, no, I got so happy. Yes, watching in smart TV. Not for they are watching me, not for that one. Okay, so they know how they are using the technology. No, technology grown like anything now. Watching in smart TV, how they connected to the internet to the this one, open the web browse and teachment app and the web teachment app and using seeing in the big screen like watching movie. Oh, yes sir. Oh yes sir, good, super good. Anyhow, okay, let it be. You'll come back. We'll come back. Yes, don't worry, don't worry. 10:51 only. Okay, up to 11:20 I have. Okay, I will give few minutes free to write your notes. Okay, so I'll complete fast. Yes. What we are talking about which one? Pen. Yes, exactly, pen. Okay, so what we will do? Yes, we will use pen. You have to draw a pen down. Then pen size you can. Okay, pen size is there. Where is the pen size? Yes, change pen size to 5. Sorry, I don't want to attach here. Correct? No. Yes, attach. Pen color. What is the color you need? Green. Let it be there. Green. Otherwise, you can change it. Okay? You can change the pen color later. Or then what else? Yes, enough. Now, pen down. How much pen has to move? Then you motion. How many steps? Yeah, here I'll bring. Or you can keep in middle. 10 steps. Okay, or 50 steps I will do. Or you don't want there. You can move from here and you can keep last. Anywhere. Now I'm clicking here. See here, backside, backside. See here. Why it is going on bigger? See, because pen change pen size by 5 times. Change is going on. So it is next time it is 5. Move pen down. Then again. See here. Got it? Pen. This is all you can use. Yes. Okay. Next, what is I will use clear. Then what will happen? You will see. See everything clear. Yes, nothing will be there because up to that they will do and it will clear. Off I'll bring here. Okay, then clicking. Yes, come. When I click, that old one clear. See here. So like this, you can do the animations with the pen and all. Okay, what is next? Data, let it be there. Then we will go to events. Okay, I will bring here events, marriage events. Okay, then what else? Yeah, some party events, birthday events. Okay, let it be. Yes, events. So always we use this is one event when flag click. Always for all program. Before I created one program here, make 10 and looks say hello and sound make it is okay. Yes. Now you see here when I click the flag. What is the event? When green flag click. When green flag click. Where is the green flag? In the stage. In the stage. This is called stage. Remember last class? Last class means last year's class. Stage. When I click here, green flag. Here, what will happen? This program will work. Look here. Moving there and saying yes. Moving 10 steps, say hello and make meow. And the color already it is there. Yes, other idea clear. Got it? So again, green flag, one other. And again, what is that? Events you see. Suppose when we use this space, okay, I'll bring here back. Suppose you are running. from cat is running from here to here, run. And after this one, where to go? Can you go here? No, because if you are dancing means you have to dance in the stage. Correct? No? Correct? No. One program is there. You are dancing. You will dance after dancing. Come here. You will dance like this. It will come. No, because it is a stage. You will fall down. It is look odd. Yes, so you have to play dance in the stage itself. Okay, so when it comes here go move. When it reaches there, then it has to turn back, or it has to move up or down. Okay, or come back. See what is that? This is the when it reaches there, bouncing. When you press, example, another example, when you are fighting game is going on. When the cat will touch this one, catch will touch, example, I will create one program. I hope 1 minute I'll ask you, then I will come back. Are you getting boring? Then you say now. I will do 2 more points so fast. I will stop there because it is going to be 11. Otherwise I will continue with this program. 2 more points. Okay, no boring sir. Some are saying, are you boring? No boring sir. Oh, I don't know. No boring, sir. Oh, thank you. Got it. Okay, no boring, sir. Good. See the construction of sentence. Okay, let it be. Yes, let it be. Okay, understood. Good. Yes, you'll come back. Scratch program and see here when I will create one more. What is that? Page number. Something is there in your mobile, computer. What's the textbook? What is that? Yes, Gobo and Go. So Gobo and Ghost 2, page number 98. There is one program that you have to write in the assignment. I will say about assignment later. Yes, for the exam also this program will be there. I will send you what are the programs are there. Not this next week. Yes. So a cat is there and one more sprite I am adding. How to add sprite? How to add sprite? I'm closing. Yes. So click on categories. Then there are sprite library. There are many sprites. Where to do? Here. Yes. Choose sprite from library, or you can draw means you can draw from here. So one is what is that? Okay, bell. One bell. Okay, this is the bell. Click on OK. So one bell is there here, and one cat is there here. Okay, now I am writing program. When you use the space bar in the computer or mobile, then you have to move 50 okay, 30 steps. Let it be there, 30 steps. Okay, then what will happen? Yes, it moving when it touches. When it touches. So where it is, where will you use? Here, sensing. Next one is sensing. Bring here. Oh, some are talking there. Yes. Okay, so touching. But we cannot do here somewhere else. Correct? No? Then you have to bring control from here. If you bring here, if which one? This cat touches bell. So if it come here, touching the mouse pointer, not mouse pointer, touching what? Cat will touch to this bell. Correct? No? Select bell. Okay. If once again, when space bar it move, when you click space bar it move 30 steps, which will move? Cat. And if touching bell, if this cat is touching bell, what happened? You have to make one sound. Okay, you will make one sound. Meow. Yes, I will see clicking. I will click on stage full screen. I am running here. Okay, moving. It's blocked there. Yes, wait. I will do from here. Yes, moving. Okay, I will once again stage. Okay, and I am playing here. Will it play? No, because when the space bar is pressed, okay, I am pressing space bar here in computer, space bar moving 10 step, moving 10 step. What happened? Why it makes sound? I'm stopping here. I'm stopping the program and come back. Okay, once again I am bringing here and bell here. Once again playing, using move 30 step, 30 step. See here, when this one touch the bell, make meow sound because it hit on the head. There have blood came from head, so it cat is making meow sound. Got it? Got it? Okay. One more point I will say. When I click a cat sprite, you will get this program. When I click the bell sprite, there is no program. Correct? Because we have written the program for this sprite cat. Okay, so let it be there. Yes. So this is the one way you can use. Which one? Two things this one control I use if and repeat. If I use here and sensing I used touching. Yes, and make sound remaining all over. Now it is operation. Next one is operations. So this is nothing else. You can create what is that? Okay, suppose I'll bring these all things. Touching I'll bring here, and I will add one number. Yes, instead of space, I will remove, sorry, instead of the space bar, I will move and I'll take events and bring. Now you see, this is the program. When green flag click, move 30 steps. If 5 is lesser than 8, make meow sound. Otherwise, no need to meow sound. Okay, so will it make meow sound or not? Will it make, I'm clicking here. Yes. Why? Because 5 is lesser than 8. We are using, what is this one? This is a operator block. See here, operator block. Click on there. Suppose I am writing there. Here I write 8. Here I write 2. Then if I click, when green flag click, move 30 steps. If 8 is lesser than 2, then play meow sound. No meow sound. Why it is no meow sound? Because 8 is greater than 2. So this is false. If it is false, it will not make sound. Got it? So these are the different operations or more blocks you can use. Your own blocks you can make. Okay, or data, you can make different variables like you can score. Sorry. It is right, score. Okay, click on OK. Look here, score. Then you can use this score, or you can use how much score it is there in the different inside the blocks. Yes, and you will get the score. If cat touches this bell, 100 points. If this one touches here, adjust 0 points. You fail. Like that, you can create, you can get the score and the levels, everything. With this all, you can create games and animations. So here I am stopping. It is 11:03. Still 20 minutes are there. I know. Okay, till 20 minutes are there. Come back, children. So I hope it will be there in your recordings. It will be there in your recordings. Please once again watch it. Okay, and my YouTube links are there. Okay, you can subscribe or not, and you can watch that all the videos. You can get it. Very simple. Only in mobiles. Then, if you have only mobiles, then there are applications, but again, I'm telling it is not the same, but similar. You can use almost 90% similar to this textbook, this chapter. 90%, not all the same. You can use, and others you can download laptop or mobile. Computer. Now I'm stopping today's topic. Okay, only one concept I took. What is the concept today's concept? Categories of blocks. What are the categories? How many categories of blocks are there? Exactly 10. Okay, I will switch on the mic. You can make it shout, no problem. Okay, not shout. Generally you say.
Sir,
Generally you
sir,
say. Okay.
10, sir.
How many
10, sir.
categories of there?
10, 10, sir. 10, sir. 10, sir. 10, sir.
See, did I say? Excuse me, did I say bye bye? Some are already they are waiting, I think. Some are very, very eagerly waiting for that to leave. They are after saying I'm finishing, they quit the class. Okay, let it be there. Yes, they will watch later. So these students, those who left, they will there, and their parents will come and say, sir, you didn't tell about anything about the test, anything about the notes. I'm going to say, but before that, when they left, and they will not watch. Okay, not you. You are good. Okay, some are there. Yes. Okay, but this problem will come. Then, friends, you help me, because we are in question mark. Liju sir, they will say, Liju sir didn't start at all. Liju sir didn't talk at all about the notes and all, about this chapter notes and all. They will say, they will argue. See, because they left. Let it be. Let it be. Yes. Okay. Come back. Yes. Today's concept, that is blocks of categories, and there are 10 categories. Each one has its own color coded and its function. Okay. According to functionality, it is divided. Yes. And I will go to the last point. I have uploaded this chapters, all the answers I send in PDF in the Teach Me in the study material. But today you have to write in your notebook. How to write notebook? Already it is written there. Take new page, chapter number, okay, chapter number, chapter name, left side today's date, and question, answer, leave one line, question, answer, leave one line. Next, second question and answer, leave one line, like that. Neatly you write the, I will ask to bring here, okay? And that 4 question answer, only 4 question, first 4 question answer, you have to write in the notes and learn. That is my importance, not for writing. You write, you are so expert in copying now. Good, no? Yes. Okay. So good. Well and good. Learn that 4 question answers. It will be easy for the test. Yes, clear? Now it is 11:06 or 11:07. Still 10 minutes are there. You complete this 4 question answer, write in the notes and learning. Okay. Now I am saying bye-bye. You can quit the class. Thank you.